Does knuckle cracking really lead to arthritis? Knuckle cracking is a common habit done by over 54% of us, many claiming that it releases tension. However, we've all heard the warning that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. But is that really true? Fortunately, knuckle cracking has been the subject of a fair amount of research. One of the most famous research projects was done by a doctor in California who set out on a mission to find if this was really true. For over 60 years, he cracked his knuckles in only one hand and left the other one completely alone. After decades of research, he x-rayed both his hands and found no difference in arthritis between the two. Other similar studies also found no evidence that proved cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. So there you go. If you do want to crack your knuckles, it won't cause you any harm.